Abbey. Hello and welcome to Deise Rebel motorcycle channel. I'm Walter, and on today's video we're looking to wrap up the mini series. So the mini series was the River Blackwater. So 1, 2 and 3 have gone already. This is part 4, and we're looking to go to Molana Abbey, which is the 6th century abbey, and also it was seized by the English crown in the 12th century. So we look to visit that, and also we're going to go back to Templemichael Castle, where we need to find the Holy Well, which we didn't find on the first time. This. Molana Abbey.
The Abbey's closed.
The Abbey.
Ballantrae's open now, I'm going over there.
Yeah.
Ballantrae's open.
Oh cool, but the Abbey is closed, is it?
The Abbey's closed for now.
Yeah. But can you see it from Ballantrae?
Sorry, say again?
Can you see it from up there?
You wouldn't really, like, you wouldn't
Yeah,
really.
but you can go up to the house up there, anyway,
That's
can
the
you?
main gate, right? And
Yeah.
in, you actually will see it.
Yeah.
You will see it from the main gate.
Yeah.
But from Ballantrae you probably wouldn't get a great view, right?
Yeah, yeah.
To be honest.
Well, I can go to Ballantrae up here, can I?
Alright?
Can I bring the bike up that way?
Up this way?
Yeah.
No, this is all closed.
Oh, it's all closed off, is it?
Yeah.
And when's it open again, do you know?
I don't know. I couldn't give you a date on that, like, to be honest.
Yeah.
I wouldn't like so.
Or they doing work on it, is it, or something?
Bit of work on it,
Yeah, alright, no matter.
Thanks for that, sir.
I was wondering, I kept
that's
passing
fine,
it and they kept saying it's somewhere else.
Yeah. It's just, if you stay online, the estate will probably post up, like, you know, so.
Yeah, because there's an entry over the other side, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's where it was leading me to the whole time.
I think so.
And I was going around in circles.
Yeah. Lovely, right?
Alright lads, thanks very much. Alright, sound out. Alright, so after that disaster, very disappointed. I know Susan mentioned to me that it was closed when she was up there, but really disappointed. I was actually going around in circles for 20 minutes and the map kept showing it and I was like, where is it? So I seen these security guys and I went over to them. I'm not sure if I got a bit on film or not. If so, you've seen it already. It leaves me in a difficult position with the mini series, whether to close it on this one or to leave it open. But I'm going to leave it open. This still will be part 4 because we need to go here to Templemichael and find the Holy Well. We're going to go in here, find a Holy Well, and I'm going to give you a little bit of history on it as well. And then part 5 we'll revisit Molana Abbey when it's open again, because it looks really fascinating. As I said earlier, it says here as well that the Holy Well is about 300 metres southwest of the tower building. So that's where the Fitzgeralds of the Deise lived back centuries ago. So let's see, can we find this place anyway, because we've not been successful with Molana Abbey. So let's see, can we make this video worth it by finding this one, and obviously the history that goes with it as well. It's a little fascinating. I'm going to leave my bag and helmet here just to take the weight off instead of carrying it around, and I'm going to check in here. I'm not sure if it is very overgrown, but we need to find the Holy Well. This part of the building, I wasn't in this part before actually. So, see if you can find this holy well. No, it's not a part of the building I wasn't in before actually. Hopefully we can find this holy well somewhere. It says it's southeast of it, which I'm not sure which way is southeast. Oh, is it? Hardly is it? No. It's an interesting little passage though, isn't it? What was that used for? Actually, I've seen online a little shelter. Let's have a look over here. I don't think it is though. Nah, that might be a holy well there. Compass on my phone is showing me southwest. Check over there. I forgot I had a compass on the phone. Can't see anything there. Looks like one, but we'll have a look. Anyway, why I want to find this place is because folklore says that when you look into it for the first time, you see a white fish. So I'm fascinated with that. See if we can see a white fish when I look in it for the first time. So yeah, let's try to track it down. We'll try this for a little bit more, and then we might have to pull the plug on it. Unfortunately, this has been a disaster of a video. I haven't been able to locate the holy well, and haven't been able to get to Molana Abbey. I was definitely not going to put this out, but I think it's key to show as well that not all videos are perfect on YouTube. And when you go on adventures, sometimes they go knees up, like today's one has done. Actually, Molana Abbey is over there. I'll zoom in if I can to show you. So it's right over there. Right over there. I was going to say within touching distance, but my arm's not that long. So hopefully that opens again at some stage, because it looks fantastic. It's just a pity it's not open. I don't know why it's not open, but I'd have to keep an eye on I don't know, Molana Abbey website or something. I'll have to check and see if they have one for updates and see what the story is. Why send them an email. So there's 100 reasons not to show this video today, but there's other reasons to show it. It just goes to show, when you make all that preparation, I've done the research on the abbey, on the holy well and everything, but the most vital research was it open or not? So these are things you learn. I don't even know if there's anything online would tell me whether it's open or not. But not devastating, it's a strong word, but it's disappointing to be able to put in all that work and be ready and have the video prepped, the first video of the new year, and you know, try to improve the videos, as I've said a lot, but undeterred, I put out the video because I want to show that YouTube filming is not perfect. It's not easy. So when you follow a channel and you give likes and comments, it really helps. Positive comments obviously as well, but it really helps the channel as well. So it's probably not a great video for you to watch for your first time, but things can only get better. And I have a bit of lunch here now. Gonna have my lunch and then head in the road, head back to Walford, about an hour and a half, thereabouts. Yeah, it's just a really disappointing video, but look, we'll research better next time, and what can you do? So until the next time, Deise Rebel out.